I have said that advanced manufacturing techniques in the robotics. So, these are the robots. Today, as technology is increasing day by day, many innovations are coming into existence, and many of the multinational companies are using robots for manufacturing purposes. Among them, let us consider few industries here. Those are automotive and food industries. The first picture depicts this is the manufacturing by using a robot in the automotive industry. And next picture is wood industries. In the wood industries, for transferring of wood from one place to another place, and they are using the robots. These are the pictures. And electronics and metal fabrication. And even in the electronics and metal fabrication industries, the robots play a major role. The vital role. See, we can see the electronic industries, they are using the robots for manufacturing purposes. And similarly, the metal fabrication. And we can see most of the metal fabrication from small shops to the big industries, they are using the robots. Because to get good quality and in a short span of time, they can complete the work. They get quality and large production can be increased. And satellite docking and other industries. The most well-known innovative industry today is satellite. Because everything is possible with satellite. We are knowing the climate, temperature, many things based in the satellite. And even the satellite docking. The docking of the satellite, the robots play a major role. By using the robots, we are taking the satellite docking. And automobile industries. Today there are many industries, throughout the globe, like Volkswagen, Maruthi, Suzuki, Benz, many of them are using robots for their manufacturing purposes in automobile industries. And see, here we can see that these are the real-time pictures of the manufacturing pictures which are taken. This is Mercedes-Benz industries. They are using for fitting wheels. We can see they are using robots. And similarly here, for the manufacturing purposes and for fitting all the wheels and extra things of the vehicles, they are using the robots. Because you may have a doubt that why can't the humans do? But whereas the machine and the human needs some effort, but whereas the machine needs only charge. And the work can be done perfectly by this. And the time will be reduced and the production will be increased. Next slide. And the robot interacting with human and parameter. This is the parameter, it is interacting with the human. And it is also one of the robots which is used in the industries. And these are the manufacturing techniques for the robotics. And the more advantage of the robotics in the manufacturing techniques today is, if we see, the many of the companies are scoping for good quality. Because for the name, for good quality, we need a good outcome and good effort. Good effort can come by machines. And machines do the work with they will give high productivity with a low cost and good quality by using robots. Next slide. And this is the constructive output of robots. From first slide, if you observe, I am telling that the robots do the work, they do the manufacture, they lift wood from one place to another place. But how? How can it happen? By what factors it can do? And it is nothing but by using the constructive approach in the robotics. Constructive approach in the robotics is nothing but by using the available sensors and actuators. Available sensors and actuators are nothing but they are used for the movements. Suppose to lift from one place to another place. These actuators play a major role. They appear like a motor for taking one place to another place. So this is called as constructive approach in the robotics. Next slide please. And humans. That is nothing but it is about the robotics. And I have said to you that I will tell you the next generation of the robotics. The next generation of the robotics is nothing but the humans. When we communicate or interact with the robotics, we have appearance that we are interacting only with the machine. But we will not have appearance that are feeling that we are interacting with human. These humanoids are nothing but they look like a human, they walk like a human, they have psychological factors, everything. Then how we see in this class. And the world of androids. And for every product to come in existence, there will be any factor. For example, say a computer, it has started with a calculator. And so similarly, android, see high demand to do additions and dangerous tasks. Suppose if we take a human beings, if anything happens in the industries for human beings, we cannot get back life. But whereas a machine, we can repair it and we can replace it nothing. And I find faster and cheaper process. See, we can do the work fast by using robots because they did not get tired. And by the means of charge, they will work fast with good quality. And make robots to move like and think like this is major thing. Whereas a robot, it doesn't think like a human, but whereas a human, it thinks like a human. And these are the major psychological factors. These are the factors which gave birth to the androids or humans. Next slide. And this is an example of android design. And it is having two jars and eyes with CCD cameras. These CCD cameras for detecting the human beings. And as well as a small motor for moving the spatial expressions like us, they need some machines. So there the motors are based on spatial expressions. Next slide. And these are the six, this is the kismet, and these are the six expressions of these. They are calm, interest, anger, happy, sad, and surprise. Next slide. Appearance and behavior. See, these are the four robots on humanoids and androids. first robot is developed by India and Robotics, and this is the child android, and it is a master, and it is giving the instructions and it is following it. Next. See, I have said you that the humanoids will look like human and they will have psychological factors. So how? It is nothing but the android science. Android science is nothing but the interactive discipline of robotics and cognitive science. That is psychology. The robotics gives psychological factors. Does not give psychological factors. It just gives like everything. How to move, how to take the object, how to lift object. But psychological factors, it gives the robot how to interact with human. This is calm, anger. It imagines a situation of another person who is interacting with him. It gives the psychological factors. So the cross-disciplinary framework of robotics and cognitive science is called as android science. Development. I have said that they look like humans. How? But robots do not have skin. But whereas androids will have skin. This is made of silicon. See the main difference between the robot like robots and androids is appearance. The robot just looks like a machine. Say example vacuum cleaner. It is also a robot, but it does not look like human because it is a machine. And the appearance of android is making a copy of an existing person. See, suppose that a scientist wanted to make an android, he will make a copy of an existing person, and this skin is silicon. It is made of silicon. And it is child android. There are two types. One is the adult and second one is child. And the technology regulating human as android to some extent. The main difficulty is to get the human. See, however we come to manufacture a product, we have some products or we cannot come to some extent. So in this single way we have one is redness in eye and skin material. See, because of human eye we have redness, whereas it cannot have. Because whereas silicon it cannot get melt within and it comes only for 2 to 3 years. So these are the two drawbacks which we cannot back the humans. Next slide. And more flexible and skin material. And one more skin material is in the human different age groups, child, middle age, and old age. So the skin will be different, and some may have food, some will not have. So whereas the android, it will have same skin for all the child android, adult android, any android. So this is skin material. Next, this is the human-like movements. It is developed by Coca-Cola Limited. These actuators, it represents the unconscious movements also. That's right. See, among this, it has 42 actuators. As said, for movements, they need actuators. Among this, it does the breath movements also. Even the breath movements, we take air, it does it. For that purpose, it uses 13 actuators for doing the breathing. And this is a towards very human-like movements. And it is a master, and it is giving the orders and it is performing it. Human-like perception. What is the need of human-like perception here? Omni-cams. These omni-cams are for detecting the human. Suppose the robot had interacted with the human, but it should identify the next time with whom he had interacted. And next thing is microphone. The microphone is vital role in detecting the voice. Suppose I interact with the humanoid, if it is the second time, it will detect me because my voice has been recorded and images from overseas. These are the different parts where the android for detecting, for talking, and for recognizing purpose. And these I have said the skin layers. There are 4 layers. That is the thin silicon rubber, physiofilm, and urethane. These are the 4 layers of silicon placed for the skin here. Okay, coming to the total Turing test. Suppose that for us, all the intelligence can be recognized by the exams. Okay, similarly, the total Turing test some to extra. Okay, next slide. By giving some task, the intelligence of the robot can be recognized. Next slide. Human interaction. Advantages, we can save the labor by this. Finally, I conclude my topic that the human android science is expected to be very fundamental research in human communication, human android communication. We can expect this. This is having the practical possibilities, and this is present in existence. If we get this, we can get more productivity by labor and can use of technology. Thank you. Any queries?
What are the programming languages used for robotics?
Java.
Only Java?
There are many programming languages, but according to the users or the scientists, according to the user or the programmers familiarity, we can use the language. Suppose programming is based in Java, we can go to the Java. Many of the Java is the basic platform. Most of them are used.
One more language.
One more, all the basic language Java can be used.
32 actuators. Actuator and what is meant by actuator? Actuator and you have said 32 actuators. What is meant by actuator?
What is meant by actuator?
How can you?
No.
Actuator and
Other languages are there. Okay. Audience, any queries?
Okay, sir, disadvantage is nothing but the robot does the work perfectly. When it gives if it does the work, it will do perfectly. Or else it will spoil. Suppose if I give an instruction, if it understands clearly, it will do the work. If it does not understand, it will not do the work. So it is a major disadvantage to us. It cannot do the work perfectly if it does not understand the instruction.
So you have some psychological factors.
Yes, sir.
The robot will use the psychological factors. What are psychological factors?
Psychological factors are nothing but these androids is nothing but a cause-and-effect framework of robotics and psychological factors. Robotics do the movements and psychological factors while interacting with human beings, it should have an idea how he is in a calm mode or anger mode. These all will be included in these androids. So when these comes under his existence, when interacting with humans, it will have idea whether it is in the calm mode or anger mode. It can detect. That's it about the psychological.
Okay, the android is male features.
Sir?
The android is the male features and the android is the female features. What are these two called? The android is the male feature is called what?
Those are nothing but the androids. Humanoids. Okay.
The humanoid is the female feature is called?
Those are the humanoids. There is no other. There are only two parts, that is child android and the adult android. So while interacting with there are few names.
Actually, the humanoid has a male feature is called android and the humanoid which has a female feature is called GAN.
Gantry.